What a feast for the eyes.
Yeah.
Have you seen the Fabergé egg? She
You what,
is
sir?
gorgeous. Well, guys, we're here at the Bellagio. We're absolutely
Cream crackers we were.
cream cracker. Try doing it without your finger.
Hello, hello, guys. So welcome back to the Lollie Markie show. And we are at the moment outside, just tilt that back, the Bellagio. So we'll see the Bellagio fountains later on at night. I'll shove that in this one. But should we go and have a walk around, babe? All right then. See you in a minute.
Oh,
So it's just coming up to 10:30, isn't it? 25 to 11.
yeah.
And it's absolutely boiling
How
hot
long
now.
have we been trawling the streets of Vegas today?
Well, we come out of the hotel at 5 o'clock this morning, and we had just a mooch around for about half an hour or so. Get
It's
a
been
coffee.
lovely and cool though. It's really warming up now though. It's so hot.
Yeah.
Going into the hotels is actually quite a blessing
And
in
then
itself.
and then we come out at. Oh, hang on. We come out, mind that, babe.
Oh,
Okay.
well, I'm okay.
Okay. And then we come out at. It was about 7 o'clock. Did we come out? Started strolling down. Been to Denny's. Had a lovely brekkie at Denny's. And then just been in and out. So we thought we'd give you a quick tour. See the roof. So we're in the Flamingo, which is just there. And that over there is the world famous, when it starts at night, the Bellagio fountains. But they're on all day, aren't they? But at night, it's better at night to watch them.
Sorry, I'm just going to do a little detour.
Let's go inside. The lights are amazing. These little just detailed things. Well, guys, main entrance for the Bellagio. So cool, them, aren't they?
But there's a
What do you think? Oh, sorry, mate. Right, we're going to do this. Well, this is really nice, isn't it, babe?
Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, so cool.
That's a reception and a half, isn't it?
Stunning, isn't it? I think we've still got the main part to go.
Just in there.
Well, you say that, but look up there.
Wow. Seen the flower displays above the. Wow.
Are they all fresh?
Yeah, they're all... Oh, it smells lovely, isn't it, as well?
I mean, the floors are something else, aren't they? They're highly polished.
Yeah.
You see your face in them. You've got the roller shop to my right. Oh, what have we got here then? Sorry guys, it is quite busy.
That's lovely as well, isn't it, babe? All fresh. It's lovely, that.
Oh wow.
So guys, welcome to Springtime Symphony in the Bellagio greenhouse. Absolutely amazing. Wow. That's cool,
How
isn't it?
stunning is that? So pretty.
Yeah. So what do you think is based on this year?
And this is just in the foyer, the
This one.
Bellagio.
It's something different, this, isn't it?
Wow. Have you seen the Fabergé eggs?
You what, say?
The Fabergé eggs.
Yeah. Amazing, aren't they? That's stunning though, isn't it? Look at it.
Oh, it's opened up.
Yeah. Wow.
We'll never get a photograph there. There's about 20 people in line,
Yeah,
all from the same family.
yeah. Well, we'll walk around.
Mark, just check if the flowers are real.
They are. Yeah,
Everything's fresh.
fresh, yeah.
Wow. Just gonna read this. Do you want to read that out, Mark?
So at the centre of the garden rises a glowing stained glass Fabergé egg. Inside, flowers and butterflies swirl upwards like treasures inside a magical music box. Together they tell a tale of growth, transformation and quiet wonder.
Oh, babe, did you write that
I
yourself?
did, yeah. Absolutely stunning though. Look at those lilies there. Aren't they stunning? The whole lot is.
Don't know where to look next.
Picture.
What a feast for the eyes. Oh, I'm absolutely loving the bird box. Just everyone taking photographs of photographs.
That's
But wait
amazing.
until you
This.
see this. She is gorgeous.
Isn't that amazing?
Isn't that beautiful?
And then it's got the key. Seen it at the bottom?
Yeah.
Like a proper music box, that, isn't it? Just saying, the hummingbirds, didn't we, love? Stunning.
Absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stunning.
Do you know what, though? The amount of work that's gone into that, absolutely amazing. You see the gondola just there?
Yeah.
That a brolly someone's thrown in.
You see it, everyone going, oh, look at this one, look at that one.
Amazing. Who's that? Any guesses, babe?
Prince.
A prince. That's not a prince.
Adamant.
Adamant.
Who is it?
I don't know. No.
It's all fresh flowers, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
For them?
He could be Prince. Jimi Hendrix.
Wow. So
That is
beautiful.
amazing, isn't it? And then if you just
Yeah.
don't pause, just turn right behind you. So you got this big wall here, and then in the distance where the, do you know all that, where the merry-go-round is, it's up there.
We saw that. We've seen that before, didn't we?
Yeah, but we're on top of it, so you just see it better from here with all the things. So it's not a big, huge space, but what they've done, they haven't half packed it, haven't they?
I love the big balls from the ceiling as
Yeah.
well. Magical.
Right, and then
Look
you
at
got
this hummingbird then.
this one, sorry.
This hummingbird.
Oh wow! You've seen the yellow birds hanging down and the pink.
Yeah.
Amazing. They're beautiful, babe.
Right, on that note, shall we?
So, guys and dolls, that's just a tiny little tour. Just walk into the entrance of Bellagio, and whatever this bit's called? The auditorium, greenhouse,
yeah.
conservatory place. Absolutely amazing. This, you probably don't pick it up that well on this camera, but there you go. A few little hotels today on the Lollie and Markie show. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Make sure you liked,
Subscribe, press that little notification button, come along with us on our little jollies. And all these flowers are real, all of them. They're so, so, so beautiful. So anyway, get yourself down here with us. We'll catch you later.
catch you later.
So we're here at the Bellagio. We're absolutely
Cream crackered.
cream crackered. We need a pint. We've got a pint of, I can't say it,
Michelob Ultra.
Michelob
Ultra.
Ultra.
Michelob Ultra.
Michelob, a large lob ultra.
Yeah. We've just been talking to the barman now, and we've just shown you the flowers here. And you're saying spend $50,000 to $100,000 a day.
Takes
to get
50 people in the morning
Yeah.
to do it. Every morning it gets rearranged and fixed.
What's the beer like, babe?
It's a little bit flat, I'm going to be honest.
Yeah, it does look a
He's
bit
also
fun.
made the glass cold with
Yeah.
like ice first. It's supposed to be in a dry glass, so that doesn't happen.
So, for us back home in the UK, this was, with tax, $22.75. And there's your different versions of your so-called tipping. I mean, look at that, just for 2 pints of beer. Mr. Weatherspoon would be turning in his grave. But hey, it is what it is, isn't it? But let's
It is
just have
what
a,
it is.
I'll just show you Mrs. B at the amazing bar in the Bellagio.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello, darling.
And we're just part of the sports bar behind us, sports bar, which we're not really allowed to film. But anyway, let's enjoy these, should we?
Cheers.
Now. So it hasn't taken Mrs. B very long
I'm
at
just
all
gonna-
to get into the swing of things. So we just put
Hang on.
$10 into the machine and see what we can win.
I'm just gonna,
Hang on, let me
okay.
show you.
Um,
We've done filthy rich in this game.
so, I don't know where am I here. Wow. What can I do here?
I don't know.
Can I hold? Oh, cancel
You've got to be
hold.
really good at these games. You put in like 5 cents or 25 cents, don't you? And next minute it's like $5 a spin.
So we'll press the button twice
Twice.
and lost $10.
Yeah.
That's
Easy.
not the first time that's happened.
No,
and
we
I
did
think
it last
nearly
night
a
as well.
Yeah.
So we really do need to think about what we're doing.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's all fun. It's all learning, isn't it? We're not gamblers anyway.
We haven't got a
So
clue, but
it's all fun.
by the time when we're skint,
Yeah.
we'll probably pick the game up.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's have a look at this. Just another little thing. You know, the hotels have free Wi-Fi. Dead easy. No mess around signing up things. Do you want access? Yes or no? And away you go. And they're dead quick, the internet access there. So, another little tip for you. Don't play the games. Don't buy the drinks. Or get the free internet. There you go. Lollie guys. That's the Bellagio. That's the flower garden. We've shown you a bit of what the bar and price of the bar and a bit of gambling. As bad as we were.
Try doing it without your finger up.
Oh, I can't.
Go on.
I can't.
dare ya.
I can't do
I'll
it.
give you the $5.
Okay.
I'll hold your hand.
We did the flower garden. I can't do it. I can't do it. Anyway, so we're now.
He does that or this?
Anyway, so we're just walking through the grand shop. So I'll turn this around. I'll show you some of the shopping area, and then that'll be the end
We've
of the
gone past
Bellagio.
like Louis Vuitton and all that now
Well,
though.
there's loads up ahead. Right, okay. See, it's the Grand Central Shopping Precinct, or whatever it is, of the Bellagio. Bit like the Strand in Bootle, would you say? Oh, Alexander McQueen, Louis Vuitton. Look at the lights.
Oh, Gucci.
Oh yeah, Gucci there. Prada is there. So in every hotel you got loads of these posh shops. The idea is that when you win your £1,000,000 on your casino, on your poker, you run straight out and spend it all here.
We just keep losing money hand over fist, don't we?
The slots aren't any good. We're going to do the horses, and we're going to do what's it called where you do the old what's it called?
Dinner.
No, which is the
Craft.
black cabin.
Black
No,
cabin.
black gammon, which is the one with the ball.
Roulette.
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 Right, so as you can see, we've come to the end. So that way is the way out, back onto the road into our hotel, and that way is into Caesars. So hold on to he's done and dusted. Okay, we're going to go for a nice sleep. It's only just going
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. It's about 125 billion degrees in the shade. We're knackered, and we'll both catch
One of
you.
us is. One of us is.
We'll both catch you very soon from
The Lollie and Markie Show.